This video quickly puts you through on how to disconnect Instagram accounts from a Facebook page. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once your browser opens, visit Meta Business Suite, alright? So the web link to it is business.facebook.com. Alright, if you're accessing this for the first time, you may be prompted to log in, alright? So please sign in, alright? But here I'll be signing in on this browser, and that's why it did ask me to sign in. So once you sign in successfully, the next step is to click on these settings, okay? On clicking on settings, you will be taken to this page, right? Showing you the linked Instagram account and your main Facebook profile. But that's not where we are going to work from, okay? So what you need to do is to get to this pages section, all right, this account section, and click on pages. Then click on this connected assets. Clicking on the connected assets will show you that same Instagram account that you are connected to. All right, just click on disconnect. Then it will say disconnect Instagram profile. The next step is to click on disconnect. So you can see Instagram profile disconnected from this page. Okay, let's now check to know if this disconnection works very well. And one of the ways to check is to upload maybe a video here to know if the disconnection works, because if you upload a video, if it doesn't work, it will still give you the option to maybe write some description about the video on Instagram. So let's try it out. So I'll click on create post, then I will click on add photo / video. So let's pick one video from here. So let's say crop a photo in iPhone. I already created it. Then I'll click on open. So you can see this video is now uploading, but it doesn't give me the option to maybe schedule it on Instagram or uploading us on Instagram and upload it on Facebook. It's just this Facebook page option. So what we did now was successful. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.